So, hello guys, back again. I haven't had time to post the video when I was drilling this field, or a little part of this field. It was 2 days ago in the evening, so you haven't seen anything since I was stuck, even if I have been working a bit anyway. And now I'm rolling down the wheat that I drilled here. I also have grass seed in the sowing machine, so I'm sowing grass here on this field also. I spoke about that on the other film that I haven't released yet. It's still on the memory card, so, and I doubt I will put it up this evening because tonight is the season finale of Game of Thrones, so I'm gonna watch that. And this rolling thing is really a nice job with the auto guide. Now it doesn't matter so much, even if it's only the 15 centimeter correction. I have put in 10 centimeters overlap, so now I'm gonna make a stripy field and take every other line and then go back again. Starting to be nice and dry now. The forecast said it should come some rain in the night to this Monday, but it only came a few drops, so really nice spring work weather. Making so many videos now, so I don't have any new to say, but if you're gonna do wonders about anything, then you can ask in the comment sections. I got a comment about how I get when I was unloading seed last year with the N114, how I could get it to run so smooth, and that's with the clutch and brake pedal. You have to be careful on the clutch so you can get it as smooth as you want. Pretty dusty now, so you can't hardly see backwards. But I guess that's the way it should be when you're rolling. seed drill on the roller ourselves last year. No, was it 2 years ago maybe? The same time when I bought that drill on the auction, so you had to get something to put the grass seed in the ground with. So. But it works pretty okay. If last year we had some problem because it doesn't go down so much, the grass seed, so when it was so dry last year, everything didn't start to grow. But otherwise it becomes really nice grass fields. When we get a normal year, if you get that now anymore. These last, is it 4 years now, has either been too wet or too dry. I have to say I really like the new technique on the tractors. Just push a button and it drives by itself. It's pretty awesome. If you compare when I started, no AC and pretty sketchy cabin to sit in, so I had to work completely brown after a day's work. Yeah, it's pretty big difference from 25 years ago, 30 years ago when I started. That will be it for now. I'm gonna go back to the podcast, Joe Rogan's podcast. And if you like my videos, hit subscribe, there will be more. So, okay, bye bye.